Hey, what's up, guys? I have not been on here in a while. Life has been crazy, weird, whatever. But I am coming to you live from my new apartment. So I just got the keys today. So we just got the keys today, actually, my boyfriend and I. And I'm super excited. I just want to do like an empty apartment tour. This is like a pretty, I want to say it's like a pretty small space, but the location is A1. So I'm in Indianapolis, Indiana. Nothing too luxurious, but I am walking distance from many things like coffee shops, restaurants, shops, all of that. I mean, not walking distance in the wintertime. In the summer is walking distance in the winter. Nah, sis. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a little tour. This place is just, the lighting is just so great at all times. Listen, the aesthetic and the Instagram pictures that are about to happen in here is gonna be sick. Okay, so let's get into it. So when you first walk in, this is what you see. Basically, let me lock this. So this will be the little living room. Right here, this is what you would see. And then this goes right into the kitchen. So what I love about this kitchen is that there's an island, so there's no need for us, we're not gonna get any tables or anything. So that is amazing. The kitchen is so open. Like, I love that it's just all up in here. Like, I just love how this is such an open concept. And I don't know. I just really like this place. Sorry, my coat's there. But yes, so we have like this super nice, like, I love the color of this. It comes with a dishwasher and obviously a sink with one of these things. And oh, so sweet, gave us some Cascade because I'm gonna need that. And so then we walk in here. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. So this is our bedroom right here. So I'm planning on putting like an IKEA like wardrobe right here. I'm just trying to figure out the dimensions and stuff because the room isn't too huge, but definitely something that we can organize and work with. And so then this is the closet right here, and it goes in deep over there. It's pretty cute, pretty nice. Absolutely fell in love with these windows right here. Like, sis, this lighting, like, let me tell you. So then we go into here. Unfortunately, this is just a closet for the furnace. And it's a little bit, it's the part that I didn't really like. I wish this was like an extra closet for storage or something, but no. They just created a whole closet for the furnace. I don't know if I'm trying to put some stuff in there like best storage wise. So then we come into this bathroom. This is literally the cutest bathroom ever. The only thing is that I didn't realize that this noise happens when you turn on the light. Like, you can't be in here without this loud noise. So I'm gonna ask about that because it's kind of annoying. So then this bathroom, like, this is so beautiful. There is no bath, and I don't really care because I don't take baths. This right here, hello. And then this is a toilet, and I'm just gonna put some go to IKEA, get some over the bathroom storage. Sorry for the loud noise. Yeah, so this is it. And little medicine cabinet. And lighting and shower is dope as heck. So yeah, let me turn that. But anyways, that bathroom I am super duper in love with. Okay. so yeah, that's basically it. There's not much to tour, but I'm definitely going to be posting what my apartment looks like when it's finalized. So yeah, I'm glad. I hope that you enjoyed the empty apartment tour. This is definitely a pretty like small apartment. So that one thing with the noise in the bathroom, I'm gonna ask about. I still have to fill out the paperwork of stuff that's damaged, and I found it little things. I found some things, so I'm definitely going to note that because get it together. No, I'm just playing. So yeah. But yeah, I'm super excited, and when I show you guys the finalized product, I don't know when that's gonna happen because, you know, moving, getting things together, buying things as you go. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it.